Ready to ditch the daily grind? Hey there, gorgeous. Tired of the 9 to 5 grind? You know, that feeling of being stuck? Yeah, been there. But guess what? It doesn't have to be your story. You deserve freedom and flexibility. And guess what? You totally achieve it. It's time to unlock a world of possibilities with a work-from-home opportunity that truly rocks. Ready to take control of your time, your income, and your life? Let's dive in. Unlock your potential. Introducing the Escape 9 to 5 program. This is not just another course. It's a transformative journey designed to help you break free from the monotonous 9 to 5 routine. Imagine waking up every day with excitement, knowing that you have the freedom to work on your own terms. Introducing the Escape 9 to 5 program, your ticket to ditching the daily grind and building a life you love. Whether you're a seasoned professional looking for a change or someone just starting out, this program is tailored to meet your needs and aspirations. This isn't just another work-from-home scheme, my friend. This program is about empowerment, flexibility, and achieving real financial freedom. You'll learn how to leverage your skills and passions to create a sustainable income stream that allows you to live life on your own terms. Imagine this: working from anywhere, setting your own hours, and being your own boss. Sounds pretty amazing, right? Picture yourself working from a beach, a cozy cafe, or even your own living room. The possibilities are endless when you have the freedom to choose your workspace. With the Escape 9 to 5 program, that dream can be your reality. You'll gain access to a community of like-minded individuals who are all on the same journey, ready to support and inspire each other. Success stories from our program participants will motivate you to keep pushing forward. We'll give you all the tools and support you need to succeed, every step of the way. From expert mentorship to comprehensive online resources, we've got you covered. Our program includes interactive workshops, one-on-one coaching, and a wealth of learning materials to ensure you have everything you need to thrive. Get ready to embrace a future filled with purpose, passion, and unlimited possibilities. The Escape 9 to 5 program is your gateway to a life of fulfillment and freedom. Don't wait any longer to start living the life you've always dreamed of. Join us today and take the first step towards your new future. Learn the ropes, your way. Training designed for success. Okay, let's talk training. In today's fast-paced world, having access to quality training can make all the difference. That's why we've crafted a program that fits seamlessly into your life, no matter how busy you are. The Escape 9 to 5 program offers top-notch training that's practical, easy to follow, and designed to get you earning fast. Our modules are created by industry experts who know exactly what you need to succeed. From the basics to advanced strategies, we've got you covered. We're talking step-by-step guidance, proven strategies, and all the resources you need to thrive in the online world. Each module is packed with actionable insights and real-world examples to help you apply what you learn immediately. No fluff, just solid practical advice. Whether you're a tech whiz or a total newbie, our training adapts to you. We understand that everyone learns differently, so our program is designed to be flexible and accommodating. You can choose the pace that works best for you, ensuring that you fully grasp each concept before moving on. Learn at your own pace, revisit modules anytime, and get your questions answered by our incredible support team. Our dedicated team is always here to help you, whether you need clarification on a topic or just some encouragement to keep going. We're committed to your success. We're here to cheer you on every step of the way. Your success is our success, and we can't wait to see you achieve your goals. Join us today and start your journey towards a brighter, more fulfilling future. Find your tribe, the power of community support. It's about finding those who understand your journey, who can offer advice, and who can cheer you on when you need it the most. Here's the thing, going after your dreams can be a little scary, right? The fear of the unknown, the uncertainty of success, and the potential for failure can be overwhelming. But guess what? You don't have to do it alone. Imagine having a group of people who are all striving for similar goals, who can offer support and guidance. With the Escape 9 to 5 program, you'll be welcomed into a vibrant community of like-minded individuals who are all on the same journey. This community is a safe space where you can share your challenges and triumphs, connect with fellow escape artists, share your wins, and learn from their experiences. It's a place where you can find motivation and encouragement every step of the way. Get inspired by success stories and build lifelong friendships. These connections can be the key to unlocking your potential and achieving your dreams. Our community is all about support, encouragement, and lifting each other up. We believe that together, we can achieve more than we ever could alone. Celebrating each other's successes is a big part of what we do. Every milestone, no matter how small, is a step towards your ultimate goal. We rise by lifting each other up. When one of us succeeds, it inspires and motivates the rest of us to keep pushing forward. Join us and experience the power of community support. Take the leap. Your journey to freedom starts today. Ready to say goodbye to the 9-to-5 grind and hello to a life of freedom and flexibility? The Escape 9-to-5 program is your key to unlocking your full potential and creating a future you're totally obsessed with. Don't wait another second. Head over to our website to learn more and take that first step towards a brighter, more fulfilling future. Click the link to learn more. Your dream life is waiting gorgeous.